There's a common myth out there in the internet, on YouTube, people, that aluminum does not rust. So, can you tell me what that is? That's rust. Or corrosion. On steel it happens to be brown, on aluminum it happens to be white. But, as you can see, both suffer from the same disease. The only material that does not corrode is 304 or 316 stainless steel. If you go to England, there's a marker, I think it's the meridian or the longitude marker, and it's a piece of stainless steel, cast stainless steel, that's been there for over 100 years, and there's absolutely no corrosion on it. Just an interesting fact for you. This myth has been destroyed, debunked, demystified.